So just taking a quick look at Chainlink then on our daily time frame for another daily update on the channel. As we can see, Chainlink here looking pretty good, to be honest. Moving back up in line with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been absolutely ripping, especially yesterday this week. Having a really nice move to the upside here. Bitcoin clearly ripping through this resistance here. And to be honest, could well keep going if we do get some more momentum back up to all-time highs here. Right now we're in an area where we could easily pull back though, and obviously Chainlink is just following suit, finally starting to realize that Bitcoin is pumping and basically recovering all the losses that I had last week. You can see Bitcoin, not only did it recover all the losses it made last week, but it also ripped up and made some gains as well, another 4 or 5k of gains on top of recovering the drop that we saw last week. Chainlink here trying to follow suit, pretty much back where we were last week on Monday. As you can see, we dropped down here, but we never really got a really stark drop like we did for a lot of cryptos. Came down, bounced out of our 618, and then as you can see, slowly been recovering since then. Big move yesterday, and now we're grinding to the upside up towards this resistance that I talked about. I think if we inverse this big fair value gap here, we're probably just going to see Chainlink ripping up through some of these areas of liquidity. We've obviously got this trend line resistance that would be a very obvious area where we could rip through as well. Clearly formed a trend line here, and if we inverse this big daily fair value gap, I don't see why this wouldn't just rip all the way through these levels back to this high. Obviously this all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps the market, then Chainlink will dump as well, but overall not much to say here other than the fact that we're just bouncing out of this huge big daily fair value gap here after sweeping the 618 and this level of liquidity, and I don't really see why, provided that Bitcoin doesn't destroy the market with a huge pullback and reversal and dump, that we wouldn't see Bitcoin here continue, that we wouldn't see Chainlink here basically just continue up through some of these levels of liquidity, to be honest. Overall, we're just waiting on what Bitcoin's going to do next. Everything is looking pretty bullish right now. You can see Bitcoin here, absolutely incredible. Altcoin basket looking bullish for all-time highs again. Chainlink looking fine. As always, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please do like, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Check back every day for daily updates and get some free money in the description below. Cheers.